Hello everyone, good morning once again. So at this time, I want to explain to you again through this video. I hope that this video will help you to understand your lesson for this week. Okay, so the topic is about adding and subtracting decimal numbers and whole numbers. So in this topic, you need to have a very good understanding. Okay, it needs focus and attention. Okay, so I hope that you're ready. I should learn this topic. Okay, so in adding or subtracting whole numbers and decimals, you need to know the places. That's why before this lesson, you were able to learn the places of numbers, okay, including the place after the decimal and before the decimal, or the place of whole numbers and the places of decimal numbers. Okay, so let's review. When you read decimal numbers, like for example 1.538, so this one is called the ones. Okay, and the number after the decimal is called the tenths. Okay, and the number next is called the hundredths, and the next number thousandths. Okay, and if there's another number, then continue 10,000ths, then hundred thousandths, then millions with th. Okay, notice this. There's always th here. THS, 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 THS. It means that these numbers are after the decimal. Okay, so now let's take this example. Find the total of the following numbers. Total means add. You have to add it. The sum, total sum, it means add. So the numbers are 23.61, 40.3, 8.25. Okay, so now after that you have to set up the equation. You can also solve it in a horizontal way, but to make it easier for you, okay, especially those who are having difficult looking it in a horizontal way, then you have to make it the vertical, like this one. So write first 23.61. Notice there are four numbers here. We have the tenths, tens, ones, okay, and after the decimal we have tenths and hundredths. Okay, I want you to remember that. So when we write this number 23.61, then the next number 40.3, it means what is the place involved in the second number? Tenths only. So therefore you have to write 40.3. You see, look, this should be aligned. These two numbers should be aligned. This one is aligned. The decimal is also aligned. Okay, okay. If you can see that this is not aligned, it should be aligned. Forgive me for not writing it in a very perfect line way. Then 6 and 3 should be aligned because they are both in tens place. Okay? And is there a number? No. So you see, we stop from 3, which is aligned with 6. We cannot write this as 23.61, 40.3. No, cannot. Okay, this is wrong. So whatever is the place on the above number, then it should be followed by the following numbers. Okay? Now the third number, 8.5. What is the place of 8? Ones. So we have to write 8 in line with the ones digit here. Okay? And then 25. So 2 is the 10th and 5 is the 100th. Okay? After that, then we can solve this one. Okay? So how do we add this? How do we add it? Now, if you don't have, if there's a missing number like for this one, there's no 100. Okay, and the rest they have hundreds. So you can just add 0. Okay, just add 0 so that you will not get confused. Then add 1 plus 0, 0 plus 5 is 6. 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. 11. Then there's a decimal here, so you have to write the decimal also there. Okay, but you have to carry on the one there. Okay, 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 0, 4. Plus 8, 12. So 12, carry 1. Then add 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 4, 7. So your answer is 72.16. Okay, I hope that you understand this. It is very important, especially when we go to the subtraction. Okay, so let's take for this example, subtraction. Find the difference between these numbers, 53.6 and 8.28. So, of course, we have to write the greater number first because it's minus. By the way, difference means minus. Okay, total means plus. So I hope you remember this. So whenever you see questions like, what is the difference between 5 and 3? It means that it's 5 minus 3. Okay? So, remember that. Now, so writing this in a vertical way, because this one might be hard and confusing for you. So, let's write first 53.6. Okay? So, notice this, there are three numbers, but the places are different. So, in here, there are two the places of the first number. We have tens, ones, and tenths. But the second number we have ones, tenths, and hundreds. Okay, as I've told you here, you have to write 8 under the ones digit of 53. What is the ones digit? 3. So 8 should be written there. Then the decimal, and then copy 28. Okay, 2 should be in line with 6 because they have the same place, tenths, and 8 there. Okay, now after that, then you minus as what I told you here, so that you will not get confused. You just add 0 if there is lacking of numbers. So we add 0 there because there's no 0. I mean, there's no number there. Okay, and then now we can now subtract. Let's start with subtraction. So 0 minus 8, that is, need to borrow. This becomes 5, this becomes 10, so 10 minus 8 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Copy the decimal. Okay? And 3 minus 8 cannot. So this becomes 4, this becomes 30. 30 minus 8 is 5. And bring down 4. Okay? So this is your answer when you minus 53.6 and 8.28. You see, very easy. Just remember how to put the numbers according to their places. Because the time you miss to write the number not in order to their places, then you will miss the whole thing and you will have wrong answer. Okay, so example number 3, 5.83 minus 0.9. So write it in a vertical way. So here, okay, so 5.83, then 0 is ones, so it should be in line with 5. The 9 should be in tenths here, and there's no number, so just add 0 here. Okay, then start to minus. 3 minus 0 is 3. 9 minus 8 is need to borrow. Become 4, become 18. And 18 minus 9 is 9. Then bring down decimal, and 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, so this is your final answer. So I hope that you learned something. And if you have questions, you can still ask me, message me in line or in any platforms where you can contact me. And please answer the worksheet carefully. Okay, that's all. God bless and see you next time.